Hi, in this video we will learn how to type X bar and double bar in MS Word. Typing a single bar, first go to the Insert tab. Click on Equation, then select Insert New Equation. An equation box will appear on the screen. Now go to Accent. Here you will see options for bar and double over bar. Select bar. A bar will appear over a dotted box. Type your text inside the dotted box, for example, X. By default, the text appears in italic format. If you want to remove italics, select the text and turn off italics from the Home tab. Typing a double bar X. Now let's type a double bar. Again, go to the Insert tab. Click on Equation, then select Insert New Equation. From the Accent menu, this time choose double over bar. A double bar will appear over the dotted box. Type your required text inside the box. That's it. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos.